Hey everybody, welcome to Chillin' with My Homies. This is Jordan here. Today we're going to be making a Lichtenberg figure, which is a high voltage burn through wood. So what I've done here is this piece, I have these high voltage gloves on. As you can see, they are rated for 22,000 volts DC, 12,000 AC, and we are using a microwave oven transformer. So this guy here lives in most microwave ovens. Do not take them out. They are incredibly dangerous. One of these almost killed me, as I explained in my last video. They operate between 1 and 4,000 volts depending on the microwave and can put out up to 1 amp. Very dangerous, very lethal. So I recommend this is not a beginner project, even though it is easy, because it is so dangerous. So what we've been doing is here I have the high voltage into one nail and ground into the other, and we're going to be putting about 2,000 roughly volts between the two nails. And I have a bucket off screen here that I soaked the piece of wood in with water and baking soda. We should see some cool designs here, so I'm going to go ahead and plug in the Variac. Variac is an essential piece of equipment to have if you're doing high voltage. Essential. It allows you to control the voltage from 0 to 130 volts AC. You plug it right into the wall, plug whatever you want into these slots here, and they're just, I love them. They're also called auto transformers. They're anywhere from $100 to $300. You can find them on Amazon. Love these things. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and cut, and then we're going to get into a video of the burning of the wood in the Lichtenberg. Hang tight. All right, here we go with round 2 of trying to make a Lichtenberg figure. Yeah, this is my first, if you can't tell. But we're gonna go ahead and try this again. I'll plug the microwave oven transformer into the Variac. Turn the Variac on, we'll crank up the voltage and watch what happens. Alright, there's our Lichtenberg figure. Let's see if I can get that more. Nope, it found a good path through the wood, so it stopped. But shut that off, unplug the microwave oven transformer, and there we go.